constant sore throat, coughing, hoarse voice, even that lump in your throat feeling, you might have silent reflux. Let's fix it naturally. 1, change what's on your plate. Go for low acid, soothing foods, oats, bananas, green veg. Ditch the spicy stuff, fizzy drinks and chocolate. Yes, even your late night cuppa too. DGL licorice before meals. It coats your throat and protects it from that sneaky pepsine. 3, aloe vera juice. Aloe cools the burn and calms your gut. Just 2 tablespoons before meals. 4, Manuka honey, UMF 10+. Take it morning and night and you'll feel the difference. At last, melatonin at night, not just for sleep, it helps close that acid valve, stopping reflux in its tracks while you sleep. Drop a comment if you've got these symptoms and like and follow Brit Fines for more natural health hacks.